Hi guys, so I mixed some inks with Floetrol. So here's my Liquitex inks. I have a couple different colors. There's my magenta. I don't even know if that's focusing, but it's just a little 1 ounce bottle of Liquitex inks. And I have a whole bunch mixed. As you can see, I just did some little experimenting with that one, and it kind of turned out cool, so I thought maybe I will just kind of show you how I did it. I have these little tiny canvases that I bought at Hobby Lobby today, and what I did with this first one was took my palette knife and just kind of spread it on there. There's a little bit of dried stuff on there. Not cool. So I'm just going to spread this around. I'll probably do this on fast forward just because I think it probably looks cool. And I didn't even get those little dropper things. I just dropped it off the edge of my popsicle stick to stir it around. So I'm just going to kind of give it a loose, kind of a watery coating. This is titanium white from Hobby Lobby. The fine art, the fine touch acrylic titanium white that's been mixed with Floetrol. And then all of the inks that I have are almost all, or all the colors that I have are almost all Floetrol with just a little bit of ink in it. Probably 2 tablespoons of Floetrol to honestly like 6 drops of ink. Not much at all. So a little bit of that ink goes a super long way. They are acrylic inks. They are not alcohol inks. So this is a little different from my regular pouring, but a lot of times when I finish pouring and I have these inks left over in these cups and I don't want to dump it out and I don't want to let it dry and I'm not sure what to do, sometimes I'll just sit when it's the middle of the night and just drop onto some gessoed watercolor paper or something to just, I don't know, it's relaxing. And so I was doing it tonight and I did this one and I'm like, well, dang it, that looks awesome. I'm just going to make another video of how to do this other one. So I will probably put this on fast forward now so you can see how I did it. Thanks. All right, guys, that was just kind of a fun little thing to do with your ink that's left over. We'll see how this dries and I don't know, go from there. Thanks for watching. Have a good night. Hi guys, so this is the one that I did for the video last night, and I noticed it's a lot more runny than the first one, and the only thing I can think is that I just used more white paint on the second one than I did on the first one. So if you're going to do it, I would use a little bit less white paint, and then maybe those concentric circles and drops will stay there better. So thanks.